Welcome back, everyone. Today we're diving into the incredible benefits of cinnamon for both your beauty and body health. You won't want to miss this. We all know and love cinnamon. It's that warm, inviting spice that makes everything from cookies to coffee taste amazing. But did you know that cinnamon is also a secret weapon for glowing skin, a healthy body, and even weight management? That's right, we're going to break down the science behind this powerful spice and show you exactly how to incorporate it into your daily routine. Get ready to unlock the magic of cinnamon. Let's face it, we've all struggled with acne or skin inflammation at some point. It's frustrating, right? But what if I told you that cinnamon could help? Cinnamon has incredible antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties. These properties make it a powerful tool for fighting those pesky acne-causing bacteria and reducing redness and swelling. And the best part? It's completely natural. So ditch those harsh chemicals and let cinnamon work its magic on your skin. Good circulation is essential for overall health, and you guessed it, cinnamon can help with that too. Cinnamon has been shown to improve blood flow and lower blood pressure, which benefits your entire body. How does it work? Well, cinnamon helps to relax blood vessels, allowing blood to flow more easily. This improved circulation means your cells and organs receive oxygen and nutrients more efficiently. So, adding a dash of cinnamon to your diet can benefit your heart health and give you that natural glow. Chapter 3. Antioxidant Powerhouse. Cinnamon for youthful skin. We all want healthy, youthful-looking skin, and antioxidants are crucial in that fight against free radical damage. Cinnamon is packed with antioxidants, which help protect your skin from environmental stressors like pollution and UV rays. These antioxidants help fight off those pesky free radicals that cause wrinkles, fine lines, and age spots. And who doesn't want to keep their skin looking its best? So, incorporating cinnamon into your diet or skincare routine is like giving your skin a protective shield against premature aging. Chapter 4. Can cinnamon help with weight management? Now let's talk about something that might surprise you. Cinnamon and weight management. Studies have shown that cinnamon can help regulate blood sugar levels and improve insulin sensitivity. What does that mean for your weight? Well, when your blood sugar is stable, you're less likely to experience those energy crashes and cravings that can lead to overeating. Plus, improved insulin sensitivity means your body can use glucose for energy more efficiently, which can help with weight loss or maintenance. Chapter 5. Cinnamon. Your secret weapon for a healthier smile. Did you know that cinnamon can also benefit your oral health? It's true. Cinnamon has natural antibacterial properties that can help freshen your breath and fight bacteria in your mouth. It's even been used traditionally to help alleviate toothaches and gum inflammation. And let's be honest, who doesn't love fresh breath and a healthy smile? So next time you're looking for a natural way to boost your oral hygiene routine, reach for the cinnamon. Unlock the power of cinnamon. There you have it, folks. Cinnamon isn't just a spice, it's a powerhouse for your beauty and health. From fighting acne to boosting circulation and even aiding in weight management, cinnamon is a versatile addition to your daily routine. Remember, always consult with your doctor or a registered dietitian before making significant dietary changes, especially if you have any underlying health conditions. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more health tips. See you next time.